What is going on YouTube? Jay here from Maji and Jay. Today, just like the title says, I have a very unusual product here that comes from Amazon with the Prime service, and I'm talking about a phone that really resembles the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. And I never seen this before on Amazon. This one came with the Prime service, and as you know, Prime is very quick here in the USA for shipment. You only get it usually in 2 days, and in certain areas in the USA you get it only in 1 day. So again, this one was only $67, and it carries mediocre specifications just like many replicas out there. It has the MTK 6580, 1 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage. It has, for the GPU, I believe is the Mali 450, and it has a 6.2-inch display. They are claiming that it has a 91% screen to body ratio. But now what this one really scares me is that it does resemble a lot, again, to the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, including the cameras, the flash. I mean, you guys will see that here in just a second. So in this video, what we're going to do is, of course, do the unboxing, and then we're going to do the quick hands-on and overview of the device. So as you can see, they always come wrapped with this yellow tape, but it came inside of an Amazon box, and this is for the warehouse. You can see right there the information. This one is called the M35, and it says supports T-Mobile, and the color that I got is the green one, and I believe it comes in black and blue, if I remember correctly. The link has been provided below, so that way you guys can check it out and be impressed for yourselves. Now, would I recommend a phone like this? Absolutely not. It is extremely cheap in terms of price and build. I'm pretty sure this thing doesn't have a lot of quality on there. So let's go ahead and crack this open. I believe it has a resolution of 1520 by 750, so it is just a little bit above 720p, but it's still, guys, this phone would not meet your expectation, especially in 2020 with just 1 GB of RAM and the MTK 6580. That's a 5-year-old processor. It could be even older, and a lot of the clones come with this particular processor. So here we have the box. It appears to be white in color. Let's go ahead and take it out of this bubble wrap right here. And unfortunately, for this particular video, I don't have the original Huawei Mate 30 Pro, unfortunately, but I can show you some pictures here on the screen, and pretty soon you guys will notice how I am actually correct about this particular device. And here's another indication that this is just a bad knockoff from China. It doesn't have any labels. It doesn't have a brand. They actually call it the M35, and I never heard of that before. So again, this is very weird. I never seen it happen on Amazon. So inside of the box, we have the phone protected in bubble wrap. This is a very usual way that they cover the clone phones for some reason. I guess they're all made from the same factories with different vendors. So there we have the bubble wrap. Before we jump into the phone, let's go ahead and check the accessories, in which they also lack quality. Check this out. The charger, it's actually unprotected, and wow, check this out. It looks like a Samsung Galaxy charger. Okay, it's very light in weight. Actually has no weight at all to it, so I know this is super cheap. The next thing we get in here is the USB cable, and I believe this is not USB-C. Let's go ahead and confirm that here real quick. So this, it is not USB-C. Check that out, guys. They are claiming this is a 2020 new model, and this is the standard one for smartphone that, well, companies got rid of a couple years back. So there we have it for that. And then we have some earphones, and these also look super cheap with some Chinese markings on there. Just check this out. Wow, I am absolutely stunned by the quality of this. I mean, everything about it feels very cheap. And they still have, well, at least that's something good that a lot of you guys can appreciate. Well, they have the headphone jack still. Okay, so that's all we have here for the accessories. Oh, and look at that. They were nice enough that for $67, to include a case. Okay, and you can tell already by the design of the camera and the flash what phone exactly this is imitating, which again is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So anyways, we saw already what comes inside of the box. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the phone. Again guys, this is not to try to impress you by the quality of it. I'm just trying to let you know that clones have made it to Amazon and with the Prime service. So check this out. Here we have the device. Let's go ahead and take it out of this protector and look at that. I gotta admit guys, from a glance it looks good. I mean, it looks like it all it needs is the Huawei logo right here, and wow, check that. Look at the lens. Instead of Leica lens, it says LCA lens. Okay, so they have tried to mimic that feature as well. You can see the flash right here, and it has a 3850 milliamp battery. On the front we have a 6.2 inch display. Again, it has a resolution of 1520 I believe by 750, and this is a drop notch on the top. On the right side we have the volume rockers up and down with the power key. On the left hand side of the phone we have absolutely nothing. On the top you have the charging port with the 3.5mm headphone jack, and towards the bottom here we just have the loudspeaker as well as the microphone right there on the right side. And let's see, I think this one actually has a cover, and check this out. Yeah, this is a cover guys. Wow, we haven't seen this in a very long time. Wow, this brings a lot of memory. It reminds me of some of the first Samsung Galaxy clones that came out a couple years back, and wow, this is crazy. Check that out. It is a dual SIM. I'm not sure if these are nano size. I believe they are. We have a TF card slot right here. Check out the battery. It comes with a protector just like it used to years back. I'm just trying to remove that battery. There we go. And this is a 3800 milliamp battery. I believe online they said 3850. I can't recall, but you guys can go ahead and check out the link right now. So this is a $60 phone. This is what you will get. You got there the terminals of the battery. And again, I haven't seen a removable battery in years guys. This is absolutely insane. So let's go ahead and, oh by the way, there we can see the model once again, the M35 with a dual SIM, made in China, yada yada. And I think this one comes with Android 9 last time I checked. So now that we saw the internals of this device, now it is time to go ahead and turn it on and see if it does start. I'm hoping so. Look at that, we are getting the Android logo on there. It has a screen protector which is poorly mounted, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. So it has a big chin. I don't see how they said that this thing has a 91 screen to body ratio. I really don't see it. I think this is more like maybe 85% screen to body ratio. So it is taking already a lot of time for it to boot up, and here we have it. So you can see the very thick bezels all around the device. Let's go ahead and unlock it. Check that out guys, we didn't even need to do the setup screen, and that's another indication of the quality control on these fake phones. They're not quite stable, and it said Android 9. I think that's what they mentioned on the site, but this looks like an older version of Android. Let's go ahead and check this out. So let's go here to about phone, and yes, look at that, it is Android 9. I was correct. So Android Pie, there we go. Here they are lying already about the resolution of the phone. It says screen resolution 2320 by 1280, but in fact it's going to be 1520 by 750. The processor, they mentioned it as well as being the MTK 6580. Here it says MTK 6763. Again, something very common on Chinese devices, and I'm talking about the fake ones. So the RAM, I highly doubt it. I believe this is like maybe half a gigabyte of RAM. It says 1 there, and the ROM the same thing. I'm pretty sure it's just 8 GB of ROM. It comes with Play services. let me go ahead and log into my Wi-Fi connection. So in my opinion, I mean, Amazon needs to start doing their job and you know, detecting these knockoffs that are filtering through. I mean, you guys can't deny the fact that this is a copy and paste of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, the camera design, even the Leica lens logo. They try to mimic it as well. The flash right here, the only thing is that on the original Huawei we have like a dual flash. We have a smaller one towards the bottom side. This one doesn't have it, and it doesn't have any brandings whatsoever. To me, that should be a red flag. So here again, we have connected now to the Wi-Fi. Let's see if the Play Store works. I'm not gonna really sign into this. I'm just, you know, looking at it and checking and see if it does work, and it's taking a lot of time. That processor, well, I guess it does work. There we can see it. I am prompted here to the option to sign in. They are claiming that it has face recognition, and I just want to see if that's correct. Let's go into security here, and I think it just did it. So let's click OK, and now I think we can just unlock it using the face detection. Let's see, and yes, it did work. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that it is unlocking. So I'm pretty sure that it's not a sophisticated sensor, to be honest with you. As a matter of fact, I don't see anything on the top here that indicates that we have a specialized sensor. I think it's just a picture and the camera reads it, and if somebody looks like you or you use a photo of yourself, whatever, it will still unlock. So this is not secure. And let's see what else we have here. It says something about fingerprint before. I want to know how that works because I don't see a fingerprint scanner on the device itself. So let's click here on screen lock. Let's put in the pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and fingerprint. Remove device protection. Okay, yes, remove. And let's see here. Look at that. It has a fake on-screen fingerprint. This is not real whatsoever. It was too fast, too gimmicky. So all in all, guys, I gotta tell you, this is a terrible phone that you can purchase on Amazon for just $67. It is unlocked. It does have dual SIM capabilities. It has a removable battery that I haven't seen in years. It has a removable back as well. We get a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top with the old style USB port. Cheap feel. I believe the glass in the front is nothing related to Gorilla at all. So something I almost forgot to mention is that on the front side of the device we have an 8-megapixel sensor camera, and on the back, even though it looks like it has 4 lenses, only one works, and it is another 8-megapixel sensor camera. Let's go ahead here and open briefly the camera app. They don't even have it on the front screen. I'm pretty sure the camera is horrible. And well, actually, yeah, actually this is horrible. So anyways, here we have the rear facing camera, and pretty soon here we're gonna check the front facing camera. And by the way, this is a very old user interface for the camera, and here we have the front facing camera. It looks blue, and I don't look blue in real life. So again, guys, you are getting what you're paying, which is only $67. Very bad camera. So with this being said, I think that now we have completed here the unboxing and hands-on of the M35 that resembles a lot to the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Let me know on the comment section below what you guys think about this. I mean, Amazon should definitely have a better filtering system to where it detects these non-branded cheap phones that well, are just gonna make their reputation go down. I mean, this phone again is absolutely horrible. From all the years that I've done replicas and videos of it, this is one of the worst that I've seen. It is very cheaply built, and for 2020 it is definitely not acceptable. So again, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Don't forget to hit on that bell icon, like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys on other future videos that I have coming very soon.